Hi there, Charlotta from MD Needle Pen. I wanted to show you what is in the different kits that we offer. We have 2 microneedling pens that you can also do nano needling with. So the first original MD Needle pen comes in a box. Oh, they both comes in boxes, of course, but this is the box that the original comes in. And in there you will find the pen and a battery, and also a battery, of course, attached to the pen. You get an extra battery just because in case you want to use the pen cordless, you can always have a fully charged battery. So if you've had like 4 or 5 patients in a row and you want to switch battery, then you have the option instead of plugging in the cord. You turn it on while pressing the on button for 5 seconds. Then you can see it's a red color. That's the fastest speed. If you click it once, you get purple, dark blue, light blue, and green. With this pen, you have 3,000 to 12,000 RPMs. And I turn it off exactly the same way as I turn it on. You press it down for 5 seconds and turn it off 5 seconds. And if you wanted to change the RPMs, you just do a fast click. And charger, of course, and it's a USB plug and a regular plug, but you can use this obviously anywhere. You also get patient brochures. It's 25 patient brochures that you will receive in the kit. And you also get 1 hyaluronic acid. It's a 2-ounce hyaluronic acid. We have this in the kit, in both of the kits, just because, or all 4 of the kits, I should say, because we have 2 microneedling kits and 2 nano kits. In case you don't have a good serum to use during the microneedling or nano needling treatment, that's why we have this. It's pure hyaluronic acid, a pack of 10 needle cartridges. And in the original one, and actually in the other MD Needle Pen 2, you get the 12 pin. So a pack of 12 pin needle cartridges. And you also have a manual card that tells you exactly how to turn the device on, how to put on the cartridges properly, and so on. You also get access to something called a success portal immediately after your pen purchase. And that is an educational tool on our website where you use the password and username that you created at checkout to log in, and you can find video tutorials, needle depth charts, manual, pre and post form, and consent forms, etc. in that success portal. Okay, so that was the first kit. With the first kit, you can do both microneedling and nano needling. So we have 3 different cartridges, a 12 pin, 36 pin, and the nano. And you have to take a look because in the shop there are there are actually 6 different needle cartridges. 3 fits with one pen and 3 fits with the other. Yeah, so the cartridges that fits with the original pen looks like this. And it's like, let me see if you can see it there. It is kind of like a square attachment. That's how they look like. It's like actually a rectangle, if you can see it there. Those fit with the original kit. Okay, so the new pen is blue. The pen is attached to 1 battery. You will also get an extra battery. And it's the same there like the original kit. If you want to use the pen without the cord in, you always have an extra battery. So if you want to switch out the battery after a few patients, you can do so. So this pen looks a little bit different, more than the color. When you turn it on, you click a pretty short one, and you can see it has actually 7 speeds and not 5, like the older version, or I would say the original version. So if you click here, you can see the speed is changing from 1 to 7, and then it go back to 1. And you turn it off exactly like the other one. You click it a little longer. But another feature that this pen has, well, there's more speeds, and the RPMs are from 5,000 to 17,000. So that's different from the original pen. The original pen is 3,000 to 12,000. Okay, and then I just screw it on. Super, super easy. It is attached, and then I click on the speed, but now I can also choose an LED light. So if you can see, it's red now, the white, blue, green, yellow, pinkish, light blue, and red again. So you have actually an LED option. Turn this off. With this new pen, which is pretty cool. You get a charger with a USB plug as well. You also get the HA, exactly like the other kit, and the patient brochures. You also get a pack of 10 needle cartridges, exactly like the original kit, but these cartridges look a little different than the original needles. So the difference with the two kits are the MD Needle Pen Original have the silver pen. You can do nano-needling and microneedling with it. They have 5 speeds and the RPMs are 3,000 to 12,000. The cartridges they are $9 each for this one. You can do both microneedling and nano-needling with it. With MD Needle Pen 2, have 7 speeds, also the LED function, have the RPMs are from 5,000 to 17,000, and you can do nano-needling with this one as well. The cartridges for this one is $11 per cartridge, and for the other one's $9 per cartridge. The price for the original is $995, and the price for MD Needle Pen 2, the blue one, is $12.95. Both comes with the Success Portal, as I explained earlier in the video. And if you have any questions, we are here for support, so feel free to email us at any time.